Hi guys, good evening. Nagluto tayo ng chicken adobo naman ngayon. Dati is pork adobo. Ngayon, hindi ko na pinakita yung paglalagay ng bawang, oil, at saka garlic. Onion. Ayan, yan na po ayan guys. Ngayon, lalagyan na natin yan mamaya ng nor cubes, soy sauce, vinegar, at saka the other ingredients. And I have here the fried rice for our dinner. Yes, it's ready na. Ready na siya. And let's wait for the chicken adobo, guys. Okay, I'll update you in a while. And now, let's add the nor cubes. And let's put all together. This is the easy cook. Okay, the soy sauce. We'll put the fire high. And this is the vinegar. And, sorry. If you put a soy sauce, no need what you call this? No need salt. So I'll put the secret ingredients that secret ingredient. This is the basil leaves, by the way. Okay, I will share it with you. Then the pepper powder. Okay, what else? You can put it sesame oil. There's a sesame oil here. You put it. Just little. Yeah, this is what the basil leaves. And we'll put the fire low so that it will not burn. And flip up. Look at the color from the soy sauce. It's bring you a nice color. Brown color, by the way. Not nice, brown color. Rather. Yeah, now we'll let 2 minutes to simmer so that the tender of the chicken will be taste good. Smell yummy. And now let's add water and turn on the fire into high so that it will boil and it will taste good. And for me, I will add little bit sugar instead of other spices. And let's wait for let's wait 10 minutes. You know why? That's why I put more of water, because of my son. He likes only this one, the sauce. So every time I cook, I added more water so that he has ulam. Okay guys, Now it's simmer and it's already soft, this chicken, but we will wait the sauce will be like thicker so that it will be tasty. Okay guys, I will update you sooner. And now guys, it's almost ready, like 2 minutes it will be done. So let's low the fire so that the sauce will be tender and it will come inside the chicken. And guys, done already my chicken adobo and matching fried rice. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Superwoman Bing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and God bless.